KK asked, how do you pronounce the tion ending in words like television or station, for example? And this is a really good question that, again, everyone can benefit from. Okay, so there are two pronunciations that can occur in these kind of situations. The tion ending will always be a schwa plus an n syllable. So for example, if I say television or nuclear fusion or nuclear fission, okay, the ion ending is always a schwa and an n sound. And what that means, because there's a schwa in there, is it means that it's always an unstressed syllable. So if you ever see a word that ends in the ion spelling, you know that that is an unstressed syllable and it's not the stressed syllable in the word. Okay, for example, television, station, radiation, appreciation, fusion, all these words that end in ion, the pronunciation is always schwa plus n sound. Okay? The reason why I said there are two possible pronunciations is because you can either get a sh sound before it, before the schwa plus n, or a voiced y sound before the schwa plus n. For example, in the word television, it's a y sound. Television. Television. Whereas in the word station, it's an unvoiced sh sound. Okay? Station. Station. Compared to y, television. But one thing to be aware of is that sound, that sh or y, whichever one it is, that will come at the end of the syllable before. So if you listen to me say television, can you hear how the y comes at the end of the syllable before? Vision, vision, vision. Can you hear how the y is on the syllable before? And then you're just left with the un for the final syllable. The same goes for station, okay? Station, station, station. And then connected, station, station. Okay, so this can be a big takeaway for everyone. The ion ending is always a schwa plus an n, okay? That's something that regardless of the spelling in a word, if the ending is ion, it's going to be an n, okay?
If you found this video useful, then you will absolutely love my How to Speak English Clearly pronunciation program. This is one tiny example of the kind of training that we do in the program that's designed to help non-native speakers like you to quickly and effectively discover correct pronunciation from easy to advanced, everything from difficult consonant combinations like we've just looked at here, to weak forms of words, stress, intonation, linking speech, everything you need to know to take your English from whatever level you are now, right up until the level where you're feeling confident, you're speaking clearly, and you feel like you've got the English at the level you need to reach your career goals in English. Okay, so check out the course, you'll absolutely love it. If you found this video useful, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe and turn notifications on so that you don't miss out on any of my other pronunciation tutorials that come out on a weekly basis. Thumbs up and head over right now to the How to Speak English Clearly course, where you're going to see exactly how the pronunciation course can help you to achieve your career goals and your confident goals in English. I'll see you over there in just a moment.